In this video, you are going to learn about measurement uncertainty, and how to properly read the amount of liquid in a graduated cylinder. A graduated cylinder is a measuring device used in chemistry labs. It is a glass or plastic cylinder with precise measurements of volume, that are indicated with lines or markings on its exterior. These lines or markings are called graduations, but will be referred to as lines in this video. To make a measurement, the graduated cylinder must first be sitting on a flat surface. You then read from the bottom of the meniscus, which is the bowl shape the liquid forms. Be sure to read all the measurement digits of which you are certain, based on the lines on the cylinder. If the measurement is exactly on the line, that is an exact measurement, and would have an uncertainty of 0.0 milliliters. For example, if it was exactly on the 11 milliliter mark, it would be read as 11.0. But if your measurement falls between the lines, you cannot ignore the uncertainty of the measurement. You must take into consideration this space between the known lines, by estimating where the meniscus is, between those lines. Start by identifying the lines we know, both above and below, where the bottom of the meniscus lies. Here you see the meniscus falls between the 10 and the 15 milliliter mark on the cylinder. It is greater than 10, but less than 15. Next, count the number of lines between the known numbers, the 10 and the 15. Doing that, you see there are 5 lines between the 10 and 15 marks on the cylinder. Which means in this graduated cylinder, each line represents 1 milliliter. The meniscus is located about halfway between the first and second line above the 10 milliliter mark. Since each line represents 1 milliliter, the measurement is somewhere between 11 and 12 milliliters. This is as precisely as we can read, with the graduations marked on the cylinder. But, we must always estimate one digit past our most precise marking. Since the meniscus is between the 11 and 12 milliliter marks, we need to estimate out to the tenth of a milliliter. One digit past our last precise measurement of 11 milliliters. To do this, you must mentally subdivide the distance between the volume marks into tenths of a milliliter. Then make your reading, or estimate, at the bottom of the meniscus. Since the meniscus appears to be exactly between the middle of the 11 and the 12 lines, you would estimate this measurement at 11.5 milliliters.